In the heart of the world's biggest jungle, an extraordinary tale unfolds where a group of spirited kids forms an unbreakable bond with the magnificent animals that inhabit this lush paradise. Maya, a fearless young girl with an adventurous spirit, discovers a magnificent elephant enjoying a refreshing dip in the river, creating a moment of pure joy and wonder. As night falls, the children gather around a crackling campfire, surrounded by their animal friends, sharing enchanting stories and laughter, creating bonds that shine brighter than the stars above. With the break of dawn, the children set out on another thrilling adventure, filled with curiosity as they climb the tallest trees to reach new heights and discover uncharted wonders.